to get the Messenger chat bubble or chat head back. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you have this problem and you don't have that chat bubble or that chat head when you use some others applications, then this is the video for you. So you just have to go on your Messenger app, just go on it, and then from here you have to click on your profile, which is in the left top corner. And then from here you want to scroll down until you find here under the photos and media chat heads. So click on that, enable that, and then click go to settings to turn on the permit drawing over other apps. So let's click on this, and then from here you want to search for the Messenger. From here I find it is right here, or you can just click at the top of the page on this search bar. So click on search for Messenger, click on it and enable it. So that's it. Now let's go back. Once you did that, we have to go back, and now the chat heads are on. Now let's go to a friend. And now, as you can see, the chat heads are on. We can go to Facebook and scroll down and then talk to our friend. You can go back, and the chat head, the chat bubble, it's right here. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.